Okay, so got a 2010 Honda Civic. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life real quick. I already did it, but the video that I watched was wrong on how to do it, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it and put this in my collection. So turn the key to the on position, don't start the car, hit the select button until you bring up the oil life, which is this button right here. So you'll hit that till you bring up the oil life. Once you have the oil life brought up, push and hold this button. You're gonna hold it for about 5 seconds or so and then release it and it'll start. Oop, hang on, let me try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it goes. So about 10 seconds it starts flashing. Then you're gonna let go and then you're gonna hold it down again and it's gonna reset. Just keep holding it down and then there it goes, it reset. So now you're back to 100%, and you can skip back through and double check it. So should be good to go. Hope that helps.